when we were leaving, they came back up.
That's weird. Oh yeah, they're on. Oh, dang. Thought I had one. Yeah. There's a lot of them, dude. Grass. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Dude, look over there. It's like shallow.
Where?
Water over there.
You got one? It's a little brown. Is it brown?
Yeah.
Show it over here. Yeah, it's a little brown. We gotta let this one go. They gotta be 14.
On my line.
As you can see, it's barely hooked, so watch this. Wet your hands a little bit. You gotta let this one go. Right there. There she goes. Beautiful. Well, there's no luck, so we're gonna go ahead and try over here by the dam. See if possibly we can hook into anything here. I didn't say anything. I don't know. No, it wasn't a fish. Well, guys, it's a little windy here. He caught 2 browns. We let them go, but other than that, we didn't catch anything. Just lose. Yeah, we lost a bunch of weights, but we're gonna go and try a little downriver. If we catch something, I'll record it. If it won't, we won't. But let's go see if we can catch anything downriver.
Y'all done it.
It sucks, but it happens sometimes, so not every time you're gonna catch all the fish out there. At least we caught 2. My little brother caught 2, so 2 nice little browns, but you gotta let them go. They gotta be 14. So we're headed out here, got a little hike back to the car, and then we'll see if we can hook anything else out there. Man, I wonder how much money and weights we have down there. Jigs, weights, everything. Guys, I'm hung up. I mean, I got a fish. Let's see what we got.
A little baby.
I know this has got to be a fish.
I'm gonna lie.
Oh, it is. It's right here.
Some little one.
For real?
Die. Bro, you don't even need a scepter for this crap. I mean, bro, you got it.
Well,
you still trying to
got
that
one.
thing?
We got one, guys. Let me show you guys this thing right now. It's a little one. I had to throw out a bunch of weights, but we'll get it out right here. Check it out. Nice little 10, 12 incher. Not too bad. But we got to get that hook out. Oh. We're going to keep this one. There's really no point of releasing it. Got the hook in there. Nice, guys. At least we caught something, right? We got the skunk out of the books. We're hooked up again. Let's see what we got. Feels kind of better, but then again, you never know. Kind of light head shake, so.
Yo, I got one.
Oh, dude, this is actually a good one.
Where is it at, dude?
Right here.
Huh? I can't even see it, man. This water.
This might be a pretty good one, dude. The head shakes are getting hard.
Oh, it's right there. Nah, it's a baby. I'm telling you, bro, if you think it's good, it sucks.
It's actually not that bad, dude. Look at that thing. What? Get him in. Oh yeah. What do you mean, dude? That's a good one.
That's a big.
That's about 14 inches right there. That's what I'm talking about. Nice.
I like how my rod was just.
Check this out. Hook right in the side. Right in the jaw, right there. Hook came right out. Look at this thing. That's a not bad size right there.
And you wanted to go home.
14 incher right here, guys. Nice. Let's put him on the stringer. We're gonna eat these. They're so good. Well, guys, that is gonna be it for this one. We didn't have an intro. We just went straight into fishing, but we only caught a couple fish, 2 keepers to take home. Slow day, but we found a few new spots we're gonna fish at. Try out next time we come out here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on, and we'll see you guys all on our next adventure.